ദാറുസ്സലാം മദ്രസയിലെ 5ാം ക്ലാസ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയായ മുഹമ്മദ് അനസിന്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രസംഗത്തിലേക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധ ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه الفائزين برضا الله. Respected Chairman, honorable guests, and my dear brothers. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks towards the organizers of Jeddah Islamic Center for granting me this great opportunity to participate in this glorious occasion. Today, I would like to share a few words with you about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Holy Islam. Islam is a religion of peace and humanity, and you all know the history of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that he was the real promoter of these two concepts. But unfortunately, nowadays the propaganda of the media is something else. They want to conceal the reality of widespreading acceptance of Islam all over the world, and they propagate false allegations against this peaceful religion. And it is falsely introduced as Islam is spreading to sword and terrorism. Dears, we know many historic events in the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One of them was Fath Makkah. Fath Makkah is the glorious event in the world history. The world has never witnessed an event like Fath Makkah, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was a man of profession. He was a man of mercy and peace. He was having the complete political and social power on his hand at that time to take the revenge on those who had tortured and expelled him earlier. But he gave them complete forgiveness and added a new chapter in the world history. Dears, we know the history that in the earlier part of 20th century, the world has witnessed 2 world wars. And you can see that millions of people were killed, thousands were injured, women were targeted and harassed. Even at this modern time, the world is witnessing too many proclamations. But all of these proclamations are followed by brutal bloodshed and extreme violence. But once Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam conquered Makkah, he stood on the gate of Kaaba and gave a speech quoting from the Quran. Ya ayyuhan nas, inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa untha وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. O people, we have created you from a male and a female and made you in different tribes and groups in order you to identify each other. The most honored in front of Allah is the most virtuous among you. Then he asked the people of Quraysh, O people of Quraysh, what do you think me to do with you today? They humbly replied, everything good from a noble brother, son of a noble brother. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared that you are free now. You can go safely. This was a unique declaration that the world has never witnessed. And this is the way he was different from all other world leaders. So dears, let me conclude by saying that Islam was never spread you through sword or terrorism, and it is deemed high priority for peace and humanity. May Allah help us to spread this great message. And Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.